torpedo stays still, which is almost unheard of on a 70s car, but it does. I'll have to show you that at some point, but I can't when I'm driving, obviously. It got a lot of interest in the show as well. Loads of people came around and spoke to me about it, and I was surrounded by immaculate MGBs and Triumph Stags and, you know, Maserati Marab as well. So it was great to see the Allegro getting some interest, and it was such a great show. There was loads of different varieties of cars there. There was some MG Rovers, there were some Beetles, there was Minis, there was a Maxi, there were two Itals, loads of Morris Minors, MGBs, a very nice midget, TR coming the other way. And loads of really friendly people, and there was also a abandoned car there as well, and I'll put some pictures in that at the end when I finish this drive. And I was able to get some good tips from that chap about places to get parts for, because obviously some bits on the Allegro are quite hard to come by, particularly on the Allegro abandoned car that he had, which is a 1500. The best way I think to describe the Allegro in terms of a driving characteristic is relaxed. Just really, really calm, really easy, no fuss. It starts really well, this as well, even though it's still on points. They've been well looked after and well adjusted by the previous owner, and it just starts so well. The lock function on the choke works really nicely, so you haven't really keep it in place with a clothes peg. That all works nice. I'm just about to enter the lovely village of Ferguson as well, so if anyone's around Nottingham and you're looking for a nice countryside village to have a walk in, then I can definitely recommend this. It's a lovely place, particularly on a day like today. And the whine you get from the A series is a sound all of its own, so characterful. Brakes you do need to be careful of. Like with any classic car, you've got to anticipate before you, not before you have to stop. But they're good, they do the job, and it's not a heavy car, so there's not much car to pull up really when you think